आइडिया कैसे कर लेंगे? बोलो बेटा, वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम प्लीज।
जी सर, क्वेश्चन फिर से दिखाएं।
क्वेश्चन समझ में आया?
फिर से दिखाएं सर।
ओके ओके, have a look, ध्यान रखो बेटा। This is second, first of all, this is capital R. Great. Now it has some charge density that's given to you. Rho is equal to rho naught into 1 minus A R, that will be capital R, where A is a constant, and this capital R is the radius of this. Fine. So this is variable charge density. Okay. Now then the condition given is this, that if the electrostatic field at R equal to R by 2, and obviously that R equal to R by 2 will be somewhere here. At this point, this is here R by 2. If the electrostatic field at this point is equal to 1.225 times the electrostatic field at this point on the surface, small r equal to capital R, then you are supposed to calculate the value of A. अब समझ में आया? Like this, for example, here we have this point A and this point B. What is given to you is that the electrostatic field at the point A is equal to 1.25 times the electrostatic field at the point B. 1.25 times the electrostatic field at the point B. Okay, then you will have to calculate the value of A. तो कोई आइडिया आ रहा है बेटा आपको हाउ वी कैन डू इट?
जी सर, दोनों जगह निकालेंगे फिर डिवाइड करेंगे।
हाँ, या तो डिवाइड करेंगे या तो ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, we can equate them, okay, or we can find the ratio as well. The ratio must be equal to 1.25. okay. So let's calculate first of all electrostatic field at point A. यहाँ ध्यान रखो बेटा, this is not a standard problem, isn't it? If for example this rho is given as function of R, then you will have to use the Gauss's law. There's no other way around. If this rho is constant, then you can memorize the electrostatic field inside and outside. But if for example this rho is given as function of R, then in that very case there is no other way around. You will have to solve it out. You will have to work it out. ठीक है ना बेटा? And don't expect a question in the net examination that rho will be constant and then the memory based question will be asked there. Don't expect it. Okay? So ध्यान रखो बेटा. Okay? Now let me first of all calculate the electrostatic field at small r equal to r by 2 and then electrostatic field at small r equal to r. Okay, there will be minor difference between the two. यहाँ ध्यान रखो बेटा. Okay, so first of all a part is that let me calculate the electrostatic field at small r equal to r by 2, that means inside. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay, what I will do is this. So I will use again the Gauss law. Integration of E dot dA will be equal to Q enclosed by epsilon naught. So I can write like this: 1 by epsilon naught. Q enclosed के बदले लिख सकते हैं बेटा rho d tau. Fine. Now this equation will be simply equal to E multiplied by 4 pi r square. They always reduce to this. That's why the Gauss law is so easy to use. So then this rho is given what it's given like this. It is equal to this. So here I will write down rho naught divided by epsilon naught integration of 1 minus a small r divided by capital R multiplied by d tau, which is spherical volume element, and that's in turn equal to 4 pi r square dr. And the limits of integration will be from y to y, from 0 to r by 2. Fine, because we are supposed to calculate the electrostatic field at this point. And at this point, the electrostatic field will be contributed by only this charge. It's called Newton-Shell theorem in gravitation, and we can apply it here as well. You can apply Newton-Shell theorem in gravitation. Then this 4 pi is going to cancel with the 4 pi r square, and r square will not cancel. Here there be the limits of integration from 0 to r, small r, then in that very case it will cancel. But in this very case it will be simply what? Wait a second, it will be here, I think it will be small r equal to r by 2, isn't it? Okay, because we have to calculate electrostatic field here. So surface area of this is small r के बदले यहाँ देख सकते हैं बेटा r by 2 यहाँ. Wait a second. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे बेटा r by 2. Okay, because its radius is given to you, that's called r by 2. तो वो निकलेगा r square divided by 4. R by 2 is the radius of the Gaussian sphere. So it is surface area will be equal to 4 pi into r by 2 whole square. That's r square divided by 4. Fine. Okay. Then 4 pi and 4 pi is going to cancel. So यहाँ क्या बचेगा? यहाँ बचेगा e multiplied by r square divided by 4. Let's keep it as such. First of all, that will be in turn equal to here. It's equal to rho naught divided by epsilon naught. Fine. This 4 pi cancels. Okay. Then it will be like this: integration of 1 into r square minus a multiplied by r cube divided by capital R with respect to r. And the limits of integration obviously from 0 to r by 2. 0 to r by 2. Fine. Okay. Then this will be electrostatic field will be in turn equal to here. It's equal to 4 multiplied by rho naught divided by epsilon naught multiplied by r square. You know, 4 rho naught divided by epsilon naught r square. Okay. Then the integration of this. So यहाँ क्या आएगा बेटा? Integration r cube divided by 3. R square integration, that is called r cube divided by 3. और यहाँ आएगा r is power 4 divided by 4. So minus a multiplied by r is power 4 divided by 4 capital R. And the limits of integration from 0 to r by 2. limits of integration will be from 0 to r by 2. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay, great. अब ध्यान रखो बेटा. So electrostatic field will be equal to, that's equal to 4 rho naught divided by epsilon naught multiplied by r square. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay. Then here will be r by 2 whole cube. Okay. So it will be equal to r cube. 2 cube is 8, 8 3 is 24. तो यहाँ आएगा 24 minus यहाँ आएगा a divided by 4 times r. Okay, और let's cancel one r. ठीक है ना बेटा? तो यहाँ आएगा r raised power 4, so it will be here r cube divided by 2 raised power 4, 2 to 4 to 8 to 16. तो यहाँ आएगा 16, तो यहाँ नीचे आएगा 64. Okay, so here will be 64. I am minimizing the steps here. There will be 64 because we have less than 3 minutes now. ठीक है बेटा? Okay, then what I can take common is this. Electrostatic field will be finally equal this here 4 rho naught. Then here it will be simply r square going to vanish. So here I will write down r divided by what I can take common here is I think 4, 4, 6, 24, 4, 16. Rather 8 I can take common, 8. Okay, so here I will write down 8 epsilon naught. Then here it will be simply 1 by 3 minus here it will be equal to a divided by what? Divided by here it is 8864. So here it will be 8. Great. Okay, so we have calculated electrostatic field. For example, it's electrostatic field 1. It is the electrostatic field at small r equal to r by 2. Okay. Next is that we have to calculate the electrostatic field at what? At small r equal to capital R. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay. So again same. तो ध्यान रखो बेटा. So here it will be simply 4 pi capital R square. So let me calculate that quickly. So it will be like this: E multiplied by 4 pi capital R square. ठीक है ना बेटा? Will be equal to enclosed by epsilon naught. So 1 divided by epsilon naught integration of rho dv. And what is the value of rho? That's equal to this. So यहाँ rho naught आएगा. यहाँ आएगा rho naught. And then here it will be equal to this 1 minus ar. So let me write it here: 1 minus a small r divided by what? Divided by it will be here capital R divided by capital R into 4 pi small r square dr. And the limits of integration will be from 0 to capital R. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay, 4 pi will cancel. So here it will be e multiplied by capital R square will be equal to rho naught divided by epsilon naught. Rho naught divided by epsilon naught. Then here it's r square, so it will be equal to r cube by 3. So यहाँ आएगा simply r cube, capital R cube divided by 3 upon applying the limits. ठीक है ना बेटा? From 0 to capital R. Okay. Then here it will be r is power 3, so it is minus a r cube यहाँ फिर आएगा. फिर से यहाँ r cube आएगा. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay, so this will be here r is power 3, so that's r is power 4. Then 1 r cube will cancel. Then divided by 4, so here it will be divided by 4. तो यहाँ आएगा बेटा 4. It will be 4. Fine. Okay, so like this is. ठीक. Now r square will cancel, so electrostatic field is finally equal to this. It's equal to rho naught divided by epsilon naught. फिर एक r यहाँ कॉमन निकलेगा बेटा, तो यहाँ आएगा 1 by 3 minus a divided by 4. 1 by 3 minus a divided by 4. So we have calculated E2. Then finally what you can write is this. This electrostatic field E1 is now equal to 1.25 times E2. Then from here on it's too much for you because we are running out of time. So you take care of yourselves. In case you are not able to work it out, then do tell me, okay? So you take care of yourselves.